so the benefits of Wi-Fi for service provider, the cost efficiency, I think it's a clear issue. The cost per bit of delivering traffic on Wi-Fi is much lower, and this is why operators are looking to offload traffic. But then again, Wi-Fi creates opportunity for service differentiation, for additional services, for providing coverage and providing capacity at certain areas where 3G or 4G are not enough, at least at the current cost. So that's about this cost efficiency and effectiveness, coverage, and service differentiators when bundling it with the 3G and 4G services. This is what we see as the major benefits as today. In terms of experience of customers, what we see from discussing with customers is the barrier is especially around what is the customer experience and on the Wi-Fi network, because operators are deploying Wi-Fi, but then again there are a lot of questions about authentication to the network, manual intervention, and also what is the quality that the user gets when he gets to either Wi-Fi or 3G or 4G in the busy hour. Right, and in these terms, users would like to get a more seamless experience and to get, I wouldn't say guarantee, but to get a service which is of higher quality of experience and provided by the operator. So specifically when we're talking about monetizing and premium Wi-Fi, so the selected users, the users that the operator wants to treat the best, they need to get the best service. And for example, you cannot offload anyone to Wi-Fi or leave anyone on 3G or 4G at a specific location when network may become congested. So you would want to manage the traffic and treat subscribers differently for premium Wi-Fi and for standard 3G and 4G traffic and usage, right? So we believe that and from surveys we're doing with our customer is that in many cases the user experience is the thing that operator would like to improve and users would like to get in order to use more Wi-Fi and get advantage of this exceptional or this great service and capacity and coverage from Wi-Fi. So many operators use today's strategies like offload whenever you go to a Wi-Fi location or carry Wi-Fi or partner Wi-Fi just in order to offload users from the 3G or 4G network. But what we see is that it's not necessarily the right thing to do when you have Wi-Fi, because if the Wi-Fi is not good enough, you would want to leave all of the subscribers, or maybe some of the subscribers, the selected ones, on the 3G or 4G network, right? So it's not necessarily offload anytime, but offload when it's better, or at least when Wi-Fi is at least as good as 3G or 4G, right? And there's other case of revenue optimization. So many operators, when they provide or when they want to provide the best experience, they will also look at who is the subscriber and what is the location of the subscriber and whether it's the right time in terms of the user profile or the allowance or quota consumption to offload or onload him back to the 3G and 4G in terms of revenue optimization. So I think the best way to look at it is if you take a train station, right, where there is a 3G and 4G coverage plus Wi-Fi provided by the operator. So, instead of just offloading everyone to Wi-Fi when it's possible, you would look at it as two different networks that can serve two different type of customers, right? So one is if you offload everyone to Wi-Fi, so everyone will get bad experience on the Wi-Fi, and the expensive network which you invested much in, like 3G or 4G, will remain empty, right? So what we see as a holistic location traffic management is to look at the customer itself, the segment and the profile and the quota consumption, and then take a decision. High value customers, maybe churn risk, which you identify using BSS systems or customer profiling, you're going to leave them, for example, on the 4G or 3G network, because this is the managed network which you can maintain good quality of experience. But all the others who are doing less traffic or are more standard users, who are good enough with just checking emails, and browsing the internet, they can do very well with the Wi-Fi network. So you can balance in this location and thus keep costs low, because you don't need to build a lot of 3G and 4G capacity in this location. And so you provide capacity by Wi-Fi, but keep all customers happy, which is, in terms of quality of experience, what is the operator looking for, right? So we think that Wi-Fi offload should become smarter. This is how we see the next step in the industry. So definitely cost effectiveness, which is done by offloading to Wi-Fi, plus better quality of experience for user and enabling them to get the best quality of experience when it's possible. In addition to that, revenue optimization for the operators to make sure it doesn't lose revenues from the fact that he provides Wi-Fi. Of course, as long as he gets good experience for the subscribers. And the last but not least is provide big data analytics around Wi-Fi usage and get this information and use that in order to profile traffic, profile locations, and then know more about the subscribers to make more money, to monetize it better. So this is where we see the next step in the Wi-Fi industry, and when this comes, everything comes together, seamless user experience, good revenue optimization in terms of the cellular operator, and knowing more about subscriber and monetizing it. We believe that's the next step, and we see it coming using this kind of smart solutions.